In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notifications in Lucidchart so you can control exactly what alerts you receive and keep your workspace organized. If you use Lucidchart regularly, this is a simple but really useful setting to know, especially if you want to reduce distractions and only get updates that matter. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your Lucidchart account. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Lucidchart keeps your account-related settings and preferences. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account. Now that you're in Account Settings, look at the left sidebar. You'll see different categories listed there, and the one you need is Notifications. Click Notifications to open your notification preferences. This section controls the alerts Lucidchart sends you, so this is where you can decide what kind of activity should reach your inbox or appear as an alert. Once the notification settings page opens, take a moment to review all the available options. You'll usually see different types of updates related to your documents and collaboration activity. For example, you may want notifications for comments, document shares, mentions, or other activity depending on how you use Lucidchart. If you work with a team, comment and mention alerts can be especially helpful because they let you respond quickly when someone needs your attention. Go through each notification option one by one and check or uncheck the ones you want. If you want fewer interruptions, turn off the alerts you don't need. If you want to stay fully updated on shared projects, keep the important ones enabled. The key here is to customize Lucidchart so it works for your workflow instead of overwhelming you with unnecessary messages. Take your time while reviewing the options. It's always worth double-checking these settings because the right notification setup can make your day a lot smoother and help you stay focused. If you're managing multiple documents or collaborating with a team, having the correct alerts turned on can save you from missing important updates. After you've made your selections, save your changes if Lucidchart prompts you to do so. In some cases, the settings may update automatically, but if there's a save button, make sure you click it so your preferences are applied. Once that's done, your notification settings are officially updated, and that's it. You've now managed your notifications in Lucidchart and customized your alert preferences to better fit your needs. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how you stay organized and informed inside the platform. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.